How to share mobile screen on laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search for settings. In settings, go to system and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to projecting to this PC, which is in the left side of your list. Then click on optional features. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on add a feature, then search wireless display, then add. After it's added, again go back to projecting to this PC. Make sure ask to project to this PC is first time only and required pin is first time or always. Then click on launch the Connect app to project to this PC. After that, simply go to your phone and then click on screencast. You'll find laptop option. Click on it and your screen will be casted in your laptop. And that's how you share a mobile screen on laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.